So here's how to play music in Discord using a bot, which is an easy method. Now first you want to open your browser, go to Discord and make sure you're logged in. And in here you want to click on Discover, then select Apps. And in the search bar you want to type music. And then click on the first bot here. And then click on Add App to your Discord server. Then select the server you own in here. Now click Continue and Authorize. Confirm you're not a robot, and then like that the bot is added to your Discord server. Now you can go to your Discord server and use the bot like this. So type /play and a music, for example, and you want to join a voice channel before doing so. So you can simply let the bot join and start playing music. It will also suggest music options, so you can click on any of those and then press enter, and the bot should join and it should start playing music. You can also use other commands such as set your own Spotify ID or set a DJ role. So you can also link your Spotify ID in here to play music from Spotify. And that's pretty much it. It's easy to set up. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.